No, I wanted to create a new sort of session for the newsletter called House Spells. It's a way to connect with your home on a different level. So I just thought that would be a neat way for you to connect with your houses during the week. Today just happens to be the full moon in Aquarius, and we've got a sun in Leo. And this is my favorite full moon of the month. I just love the combination of Leo and Aquarius. They're opposites. So the full moon in the month is always going to be in the opposite sign of where the sun sign is at the moment. So Aquarius is all about being unique, individual, but also looking at things on a grand scheme or a grand scale. They're the humanitarian, they're the inventors. And then we have Leo, which is full sun, self-absorbed spotlight. So I really wanted to connect both having this uniqueness, highlighting the things that make you different, highlighting the things that make you shine, and just putting a nice big sun on that space. So we're going to dive into your closet. And I encourage you this week to go through your clothes, go through your closet, and pull out the things that are not things that make you feel good, things that show your uniqueness, things that are a bit too small, or just, are self-doubting sort of things that don't make you feel confident, because Leo is super, super confident. They're in the sun, they're shining bright. And then Aquarius is all about, I'm unique, I'm different, I'm out of the box, I'm not like anybody else. So get rid of the clothes that really aren't truly who you aren't clothes that make you shine, that make you bright and show your personality. So that's the house spell for this week. Go through your closet, donate, swap, whatever it is, those pieces of clothing that don't shine your truest self, and let me know how that goes. We've got tons of stuff going on. The podcast this week, we had, what did we have? Today, we just launched a design refresh with Jessica. So design consultations are live and ready to go. They're by the hour and they're virtual, and you don't have to get on the podcast to do a consultation. So if you want me to take a look at your space, you want me to look at the energy of the space, book a consultation with me. I'd love to connect with you. And yeah, we've got also some exciting things with the Design Coven, the membership group for aspiring interior designers. You don't have to have a design degree to join us if you're just interested in this field in general and you want to learn more and see if it's something that you want to dive a bit deeper into. I welcome you to join. I'm offering $1 membership for the first 2 weeks. So if you want to just try it out in those first 2 weeks, we'll have at least 2 meetings, and then you have access to past recordings. So it's a good deal, I think. But yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know if you are listening to the podcast, if there's episodes that you want me to curate or create. I'd be happy to do that.